Now there is a sequence, sequence is T1 is 1, T2 is minus 1 and Tn is equal to n minus 3 by n minus 1 times T of n minus 2, and that is for n more than equal to 3. Then find the value of 1 by T2 plus 1 by T4 plus I think 1 by T6, 1 by T8 etc. till okay, is not typed properly. So, 1 by 6 is already written here, right, dot 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 till 1 by T of 2024. Okay. Now, let us see here. Now, T1 is given as first term, T1 is given 1, right, T1 is 1, T2 is given as minus 1. Okay. Now, we have a formula, we are giving Tn is given as n minus 3 by n minus 1 times T of n minus 2. Okay. So, let us find the value of T3. I mean, acha, we want okay. So, what will be the value of T3, right? Okay. No, it's minus 4. Now, I want T4, I want T2, T2 already I got, T2 already I got. Just let us go find T4. Why should I find T3? T3 is not required. I can straightforward go to T4. T4, put the value of 4 here, T4. So, 4 minus 3, T4 is 4 minus 3 is 1, okay, by 4 minus 1, that is 3 into, put n equal to 4 here. So, into T2 and T2 is minus 1. So, it is minus 1, right. So, T4 is actually minus 1 by 3. So, T4 is minus 1 by 3. Let us say find T6. Okay. Now, what is T6? Now, so T6 will be, put 6 here, right. So, T6 will be 6 minus 3, right. T6 will be 6 minus 3, 3 by 6 minus 1, this is 5, right. Okay. And put 6 here. So, T6, n is 6, so 6 minus 2, T4, so T4 is minus 1/3, so minus 1/3, 3 3 get cancelled. So, T6 will be minus 1 by 5. Okay. Let us find T8. Now, what is T8? Put 8 here. So, 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay. 8 minus 3 is 5 by 8 minus 1 is 7 into 8 minus 2 T6 into T6. T6 is minus 1 by 5. 5 I got cancelled. So, minus 1 by 7. So, we got a pattern, the trend. We are getting that T4 is minus 1/3, T6 is minus 1 by 5, T8 is minus 1 by 7 is like that. Okay. Fine. And T2 we can say like minus 1 by 1 is something like this. So, see, minus 1 by 1, minus 1 by 3, it is increasing by 2, minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 7 like that. Okay. And what we are supposed to find? We have to find 1 by T2. So, 1 by T2. So, reciprocal of T2. 1 by T2 will be reciprocal of minus 1. So, 1 by T2 will be minus. So, we have to find 1 by T2, that is minus 1 by minus 1, that is minus 1, plus we have to find 1 by T4. T4 is minus 1/3. So, reciprocal is minus 3. Then we have to find T6. T6 is minus 1/5. We have to find 1 by T6. Okay. Now, T6 is minus 1 by 5. So, 1 by T6 is minus 5. Minus 5, then we have minus 7 like that, right. How many terms? So, basically you see 1 by T2, this is first term, 2 into 1, right. Then T4, second term, 2 into 2. 1 by 6 is third term, 2 into 3. This is 2 into 1011. So, 1011th term. This is 2 into 1012. So, this is 1012th term. So, total there are 1012 terms. So, basically you have to add minus 1, minus 3, minus 7, minus 9, minus dot 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 till 1012 terms. Okay. Am I right? Let us take minus common. So, minus common, it will be 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 dot 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 dot. How many terms? 1 0 1 2 terms, right? See, these all are odd natural numbers. So, we have to add first 1 0 1 2 odd natural numbers, right? Okay. So, you know that if you add first two natural numbers, odd natural numbers, answer is 2 square. If you add first three natural numbers, answer will be 3 square. So, if you add first n natural numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5, nth natural number will be 2n minus 1. Nth odd number, odd natural number, I mean, right, because nth even number is 2n, so 2n minus 1. See, this is an AP, right? There are n terms, AP. So, what is the formula? N by 2, first term plus last term. If you add the first and last term, it will be 2n minus 1 plus 1, 2n. So, there is a formula, sum of first n odd natural numbers, sum of first n odd numbers, the sum is n square. So, it is minus sum of first 1 0 1 2 natural numbers, odd numbers, first 1 0 1 2 odd numbers. So, it is minus 1 0 1 2 square, right. Okay. So, you see from the options this answer will end up at 4, right. So, if you calculate, answer will be option 1. So, it will be minus 1024 1024 144. So, 1024 144, right. So, answer is option 1 1024 144. Okay. I hope this is clear.